car. This car is Rolls-Royce Phantom. I told you this car is made for people who are going to pay very high amount, and it is a customized car. Suppose Mr. X, uh, uh, Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan, okay, he booked this car. Then he cannot cancel it, and if he cancel it, Shah Rukh Khan cannot come and say, "Oh, now I will purchase this car." They cannot do like that, okay, because it is made for something specific. One more example I would like to give you. Okay, suppose okay, have you seen this car Tata Safari? Everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Now this model is stop production of this production, but now this Safari. Suppose imagine in 2017 you have booked this Safari, and because of suppose I have booked this Safari, and because of some XYZ reason I cancel it, and then you come to a showroom and say you want to purchase a car, and the Safari is on. So they will immediately, "Oh sir, somebody has cancelled the car. So would you like to have it?" And you will say, "Yes, I will have it." And you will do the remaining payment, and you can buy this car. So the car which is booked by me, ordered by me, okay, but at the end I have cancelled it, and somebody else can take it, right? Clear? So this is a standard car which is going with a make to stock scenario. Tata Motors is manufacturing this car in bulk. They are storing, keeping this car in their yard, and as on when the requirement is there, they are moving it to the dealer. And if somebody cancel it, they can swap back the stock from this dealer to another dealer, or from this customer to this customer. Clear? Do you understand what is the meaning of swap back stock in make to stock? We can do this. Now, same Safari. Have you seen this Safari? This is made for Indian Army. Okay. This is Indian Army Safari. Okay. Yes or no, guys? Tell me fast. Right?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
this is Army Safari, which is going to be manufactured only when we Tata Motors is going to get order from Indian Army. Suppose they say we have to require 1,000 car, they will manufacture only 1,000 Tata Safari. They will not manufacture 1,001, and they will not try to sell it to somebody else, like some minister or something, someone. No, they cannot do. Registration cannot happen. Okay, because this is specific car, this is customized car, and it is made only against some specific order. Okay, so this car will not be created with MD61 T code. Okay, they cannot upload a demand for this, because this is make to order scenario. Okay, so it will made with a it will be with a made to order scenario. So unless and until their sales order, they cannot start manufacturing of this. That is the first thing. Clear? Okay. Second thing is that this cost, the car of this car, if they Indian Army say no, now we want to cancel the order, they have to pay the penalties. And even though they pay the penalty, Tata Motors cannot sell this car to any other customer. Like if Indian Army is not taking, so let us go to some government, Delhi government, Maharashtra government, or something like that, and try to sell them. No, that is also not possible. Okay. They cannot give to any other state government also, because this car is made for only Indian Army. Even though they cannot give it to Indian Navy. Why? Anybody? Simple reason. Indian Air Force also they cannot give. Why? See, the green color stands for
Color code is different.
okay. Then Air Force is have sky blue color, and Navy is having white color. Okay. Do you understand? This is the color wise. Also, there is a differentiation between the army, right? So simply by this color,
Yes, yes.
you want to give it. We would like to have navy blue color Safari. Everything is okay, but we want navy blue color. Can you change the color? So again, it is a cost. So what is the agenda, or what is the meaning? What I'm saying is stock cannot swap back and forth between the sales order or between the customers. This is the meaning of. So this is the make to order. So Sagar, are you clear? What is the make to stock and make to order scenario? You are
Yes,
question, right?
Yeah.
This is a regular customer, this standard product, which can be sold to anyone. If somebody cancel, it can sell it to another person. But these are the customized product, or product made against some specific order. So we have to sell it to that particular customer only. We cannot sell it to any Tom, Dick, Harry. Okay, clear? Team? Okay.
Also, sir, customer specification also varies. So that
Yes,
we
obviously.
cannot sell it to other.
That is the reason here. Yes, this is the
That
customized
is
stock.
one.
Okay, so customer
Yes,
have
yes.
this specific color inside that. They have some specification in, and that is not going to like by other customer. They have their different
Yes.
demand, right? Like this is
Yes,
special
yes.
purpose machine. Somebody has made it for cutting this steel rim, okay? But somebody want to have it, their die will be different, their requirement will be different. So they cannot give it. If they have to sell it, they have to do a lot of modification, and then they can save it. But in generally, in this kind of make to order scenario, it is very pure. There is already deal happen between the customer, and then only it will be sell out. The way we talk about whenever you purchase a flat and which is in under construction, suppose, okay, apartment. In that case, what happen? You pay all the amount. Okay, you do some initial booking. You do some stamp duty registration. That is the agreement. Everything cost you have to bear, and there is a bond. There is a agreement between you and builder. Unless and until builder deliver the product to you, or you do all the payments via yourself or with the help of your bank. When all things are completed and this flat is available ready for use, okay, at that till that time nobody can sell that flat to anybody else. Are you aware about it? You cannot make any deal to any other customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once the
Yes,
stock is
yes.
available, when you become the owner, okay, then you can decide, oh no, I don't want to have this flat, I want to sell it now. Then you can sell it. But till the time the phase has been changed, the sales order is completed, it is delivered to you, you got the possession, and everything is completed. So there is no relevance of sales order. Now it has become your product. Okay. So then it is your call what you have to do. Now, once this Safari is delivered to Indian Army, then this sales order and all function is closed. Our stock has been reduced, so we don't have any relevance to that. Now, what Indian Army is going to do? Where are they going? They are going to give it to their BSF or any other. There are different type of troops. Okay, so whom they are going to give? That is not a question. Earlier they thought they will use it for BSF. Then later on they have to internally use for something else. They can use it. There is no restriction. We don't have any relevance for that. Okay, clear, guys? Everybody clear?
Clear, clear.
Okay. So
Yes.
now we are going to have